Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the control board on your Samsung electric dryer. If you notice issues like your dryer not starting, the dryer not heating, or showing error codes on the display, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a Flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric dryer or turn the breaker off. By checking the control, we are trying to determine whether the board is sending voltage to the L1 side of the heating element. Remove the two screws that hold the console on and flip it forward. There is a connector going to the console, leave it connected. Remove the control board cover with a flathead screwdriver. The heater relay is the one with a black and blue wire. On the blue wire is an orange clip we will remove so we can get a probe far enough into that to get a good reading. Now with the power on, turn the dryer on to a heat cycle. Put one probe into the blue wire connector and the other probe to the chassis ground. You should read 120 volts AC. If you don't, the relay on the board is bad and the board will need to be replaced. Disconnect the one connector and set the console aside. Remove the wiring connectors. The board is held in place by a single screw. Once removed, the board and holder come straight out. Here's the old control board and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Secure the new board with a screw, reconnect all the wires and connectors, replace the protective cover, and secure the console with the two screws. Don't forget to plug your dryer in and turn it on to make sure everything works. Great job tackling the control board replacement on your Samsung electric dryer. We hope your appliance is now up and running smoothly. We'd love to hear your repair story, so drop a comment below and let us know how it went. If you need a new control board or any other parts, just grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for turning to us for guidance, and we look forward to helping you with your next repair project.